There is a quiet kind of wealth that cannot be measured by the size of a bank account alone. It is the wealth of peace, confidence, and freedom from unnecessary worry. As people grow older, they often discover that true security comes not from endless chasing, but from wise stewardship of what they already have. Every coin saved with awareness, every thoughtful decision, and every unnecessary expense avoided becomes a step toward a calmer and more meaningful life. Many people spend years working hard, believing that retirement will automatically bring peace. Yet when that season finally arrives, they find themselves anxious about pensions, savings, rising prices, and unexpected expenses. The problem is rarely a lack of effort. More often, it is the absence of mindful financial habits. Money, like water, can quietly disappear through small cracks if it is not carefully guided. The first smart money move is to understand exactly what you have. Do not fear your financial reality, whether it is large or small. Look at your pension income, savings accounts, investments, and monthly expenses with complete honesty. Awareness is never the enemy. Ignorance creates fear, while clarity creates opportunity. When you know where every dollar comes from and where it goes, your financial life becomes easier to manage. A simple notebook or budgeting app can reveal patterns that have remained hidden for years. Know your financial reality. Understand your pension, savings, investments, and monthly expenses. Track every source of income and every expense so you can make informed financial decisions with confidence. Many people spend years working hard to build a secure future, yet they rarely pause to understand exactly where they stand financially. One of the wisest steps you can take is to become fully aware of your financial reality. This means knowing how much income your pension provides each month, how much you have in savings, whether you have investments, and what your regular monthly expenses truly are. There is no benefit in avoiding these numbers, because uncertainty often creates unnecessary worry. Clarity, on the other hand, brings confidence and allows you to make thoughtful decisions. Keep a simple record of every dollar that comes in and every dollar that goes out. You may discover small expenses that seem insignificant on their own, but gradually reduce your financial security. Awareness also helps you prepare for future costs, such as healthcare, home maintenance, or unexpected emergencies. Spend wisely and live below your means. Focus on essential needs rather than temporary wants. Create a realistic budget based on your pension income and avoid unnecessary spending to protect your long-term financial security. A peaceful financial life is not built by earning more alone, but by spending with wisdom and intention. Every purchase is a choice that either strengthens or weakens your financial future. Before buying anything, pause for a moment and ask yourself whether it is truly a necessity or simply a passing desire. Many things bring temporary excitement, but little lasting value. By learning to recognize the difference between needs and wants, you protect your pension and savings from being consumed by impulse. Living below your means does not require giving up happiness. Instead, It means finding satisfaction in what you already have, while avoiding unnecessary financial pressure. Create a monthly budget based on your guaranteed pension income and treat it as your financial guide. Pay essential expenses first, such as housing, food, healthcare. Protect and grow your savings carefully. Avoid risky financial schemes and emotional investment decisions. Build an emergency fund, save consistently, and choose steady, well-planned financial strategies. Protecting and growing your savings requires patience, discipline, and thoughtful decision-making rather than chasing quick rewards. Many people are tempted by promises of high returns, fast profits, or investment opportunities that sound too good to be true. These offers often appeal to emotion instead of wisdom and can place years of hard-earned savings at unnecessary risk. A calm and steady approach is usually the most reliable path to long-term financial security. Before making any financial decision, take time to understand the risks, ask questions, and seek advice from qualified professionals if needed. Never allow fear or excitement to control your choices. Markets naturally rise and fall, but emotional reactions often lead people to buy at the wrong time or sell out of panic. Consistent saving, even in small amounts, gradually builds a strong financial foundation. It is also wise to maintain an emergency fund that can cover several months of essential expenses, giving you confidence when unexpected medical bills, home repairs, or other emergencies arise. Simplify your lifestyle and plan ahead. Reduce wasteful expenses. Organize your finances. Understand your pension benefits. And communicate your financial plans with trusted family members to prepare for the future. A simpler lifestyle often leads to greater financial freedom because it encourages you to focus on what truly adds value to your life. Over the years, many people collect possessions, subscriptions, and habits that quietly increase monthly expenses without providing lasting happiness. Taking time to review these costs can reveal opportunities to save money without sacrificing comfort. Selling items you no longer use, reducing unnecessary services, conserving electricity and water, and avoiding wasteful purchases can strengthen your financial position over time. Every small saving contributes to the stability of your pension and protects your savings for future needs. Planning ahead is equally important. Organize important financial documents, including pension information, insurance policies, bank account details, and legal papers. Build wealth with gratitude, patience, and purpose. View money as a tool for peace, security, and generosity. Practice contentment. Make thoughtful financial choices and use your pension and savings to create a stable and meaningful retirement. Lasting financial well-being is built not only through careful saving, but also through the qualities of gratitude, patience, and purpose. When people constantly compare their lives with others, they often feel that no amount of money is ever enough. This endless desire can lead to unnecessary spending and dissatisfaction. A grateful mind, however, recognizes the value of what it already has and finds contentment in simple blessings. Gratitude does not prevent you from planning for the future. Instead, it encourages wiser decisions because you are no longer driven by fear or endless ambition. Patience is equally important. Wealth that grows slowly through consistent saving and thoughtful planning is often more secure than wealth pursued through risky shortcuts. Every small financial decision, whether saving a little more, avoiding an unnecessary purchase, or planning for future needs, contributes to long-term stability.